Friends, this is Medhavi. Today we have to work on interfacing of LED with Arduino IDE. For writing this code we are using Arduino IDE, and for debugging we are use Proteus. I have already written the code, and for explaining I am going through the code step by step. This is our code in this. So I open Proteus also the same. This is Proteus. For those who are working on Proteus for Arduino for the first time and want to work on Arduino library for Proteus, so I have put the link in the comment box. For Proteus, we build a library for Arduino library. So this is our Arduino IC is there, board is there, Arduino board is there. In this, these pins are there, 1 to 0 to 14s. These are the data lines, PD0, PD1, PD2, 3. These are the pins, and these are the analog pins are there. The RX, TX pins are there. So we are using 4 pin in here. We are using interfacing of LED with Arduino IDE. In this, we are using 4 LEDs are connected. Anode part of LED is connected with board, and the cathode part is connected with ground. Means this LED on if you have to provide 1, then on. If you have to provide 0, then off. So go to code. So first you have to use which pins? 13 to 11, 10, 11, 12, 13 pin. First you have to give the name of LED 1, LED 2, LED 3 in it. After that, voice setup, then void loop. Loop is this program operate infinite times. Setup, you have to use 4 pin. With the help of pin mode, you have to set the mode. Your device is output device or your device is input device. LED is output device. So you have to set each LED, LED 1, LED 2, LED 3, LED 4, each is a output type. Okay. After that, go to the loop, void loop. With the help of digital light, we have to give 1 or 0 to any pin. Suppose you have to on LED on high, then LED 2 low. High means 1, low means 0. High, then on, then off, then on, then off. After some delay, this is a delay function. This is also included in the library file, in the header file. So after that, this low, then high, then low, then high, then after set delay. Okay, then this is built. Okay, done compiling means your compilation part is okay. Then before that, before compilation, you go with preference, then take on compile this one, compilation. In that case, take on compilation in that case, because your hex file will show. Build it, compile it, again compile it, because hex file will show. Okay, your hex file is there. In which location? In this location your hex file is there. Okay, in this location user, then your path is all path is there. Then your this is led.ino.hex file is there. So go to the folder, this folder. I am already write the location. This one, you have to copy this file and this from this location to here. So here led.ino.hex. Okay, so open Proteus, double click on the Proteus board, then folder Arduino Uno.hex, then OK. After that, play. Okay. This is your code, your LED on and off. This is on, sorry, this one on off, after some delay off on, same program operated. Okay, this program operate infinite times because you have to work on void loop part. Okay, thank you.